Hi, I'm Dr. Dennis Kim. I'm a board-certified endocrinologist and currently a principal at Medicon Incorporated. I also hold a clinical position at UCSD School of Medicine. In my past, I've held various positions in industry, including medical head for exenatide/Byetta at Amylin, as well as chief medical officer at Enteromedics, which was a company involved in development of a device for treatment of obesity. My area of specialties include diabetes and obesity specifically. I've been asked by IDOC to opine on some of the latest scientific releases that came out of the American Diabetes Association in San Diego last week. And with my special interest being in diabetes and obesity, I've decided to talk about the latest look-ahead data, as well as some of the results coming out of the bariatric field. And then I can also go over some of the opinions that I have about the future of obesity therapeutics as a potential FDA-approved marketed drugs. Of course, there's only one at this point, but future will hold different things. So let me first talk about look ahead. There are two pertinent abstracts that came out at the ADA, some 4-year analysis of the first-year data. Look ahead, of course, is a study involving roughly 5,000 patients with type 2 diabetes who are randomized to either receive intensive lifestyle intervention or what is deemed usual diabetes care and education. And during the first year of the trial, patients randomized to intensive lifestyle intervention lost significantly more weight than those patients who were randomized to the other arm. What this particular abstract showed was that patients who were randomized to intensive lifestyle intervention gleaned continued benefit in terms of their glycemic control and metabolic profiles, such as blood pressure and cholesterol control, out to 4 years, even if they regained the weight they had lost during the first year. And specifically, what they found was that as long as they were able to lose a certain amount of weight during the first year and were able to lose it steadily and not do it rapidly, they're more likely to glean that benefit out to 4 years versus those people who may have lost weight rapidly or may have regained it much more during the first year. So the bottom line is significant weight loss during the first year of the trial and also steady weight loss during the first year of the trial predicts good outcome in terms of 4-year benefits versus those people who didn't lose a lot of weight or people who may have lost the weight quickly. They tend not to have the long-term benefit out to 4 years according to this analysis. The other abstract from Look Ahead group talked about the cost effectiveness of the intensive lifestyle intervention versus the usual educational efforts that diabetes educators use with their patients. And what it showed is, on a yearly basis with lifestyle intervention, it costs around $3,000 during the first year and then about $1,500 thereafter per year to administrate this intensive lifestyle intervention, whereas it takes about in the range of about $100 per year for the usual diabetes education. So the cost effectiveness analysis hasn't been yet done. This abstract just simply illustrated that it is much more expensive to use intensive lifestyle intervention, and that the cost effectiveness analysis will also, of course, have to integrate the benefit and outcomes that these patients on the intensive lifestyle intervention arm may glean after years of follow-up.